everyone, I'm Ajay. Welcome back to the tutorial 2 on the Spring and Hibernate. In this tutorial series, we are going to look at how to add libraries to Eclipse, how to install Progress database, and how to install Java JDK and Eclipse. And throughout the video tutorial, we are using these 5 libraries. And first one is Spring Framework, and we are using the version of 4.3.8, and Hibernate 3.6.4, and we are using Java Servlet and Postgres JRE and Commons Logging 1.2. And for the throughout project, we are using the server Apache Tomcat 7.0.78, and we are using database of Postgres. And for downloading the database Postgres, we have to go to this URL www.postgresql.org/download. And if you are using a Windows system, click on the Windows button. And if you go for Windows, there is 2 options. First one is download the installer or download the zip archive. I recommend you to download the installer, and if you click the download the installer option, there will be redirected to this page. Here you have to select the which version of Postgres you want and which version of Windows you are using, and click download. And after downloading, and if you open the setup, it will be like this, and just click next in this window. On the next screen, you will be asked to select which installation directory. I recommend you to leave it as a default and click is next. And in the next window, they will ask the data directory, and here also just leave it as a blank or default. And on the next window, they are asking which password you have to set to the database. Make sure that you remember the password you are typed here. It is required for the further steps. So make sure you have set a password and make sure you will remember it, and click next. And they are asking which port number you want for your Postgres, and just leave it as a default. 5432 is the default port number for Postgres, and click next. And in advanced options, just leave it as a default and click next. So it will start installing, and after finishing the installation, just click on finish button. And for the IDE, we are using Eclipse JRE Oxygen, or you can download the Spring Toolkit suite. It's optimized for Spring projects. Here in the tutorial, we are using Eclipse JRE Oxygen. And the next one is downloading and installing Java JDK. We need JDK for doing projects in Java because Spring is based on Java. For that, go to this link and click the JDK and the download button. It will redirect to this page. Here you have to select which version you are using and corresponding this exe, and download it and open it. Now the window will be like this. Here just click next, and the next window they are asking which installation directory you want. Just leave it as the default and click next, because we need this directory later to set environmental variables. And just click next, and it will start installation. Now the next thing is we need to set the environmental variables. For that, go to this PC and go to C drive and go to programming files and find the folder called Java. And here you find 2 folders. First one is JDK and second one is JRE. Go for the JDK, and here you find the bin folder. Open it and right click this PC and go to properties. Click on advanced system settings and click on environmental variables, and click new here under the user variables for this user. Click new, and path variable name will be path, and the variable value will be the address including this bin. Just Control C and paste it here. Click OK. In this window also click OK. Here also click OK. So we need to check whether it is working fine or not. So click on the start button and type cmd. So you can see the command prompt, open it. Here you have to type java space hyphen version and hit enter. It should display which version of Java you are using. If you've done everything well, it will display which version of Java you are using. Okay, then back to slide. Next one we need is Eclipse, and we need an Eclipse installer. So back to the browser and just search Eclipse installer downloads and go for the first one, this one, http wiki eclipse.org Eclipse installer. And here on this link, just select which version you are using and download the exe file. So, and if you, after downloading the exe file and opening, the window will be like this. And here you just need to select Eclipse IDE for Java developers and select the installation directory or leave it as a blank and just click installation button and accept the agreement. Now it will start the downloading of your Eclipse JRE and Eclipse IDE, and that's it. Make sure that you have a valid internet connection throughout the installation process. Thank you guys for watching this video tutorial. In the next tutorial, we will look into how to download these libraries as mentioned before, and how to add these libraries to Eclipse, and how to install the Eclipse Tomcat server, and so on. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you on next video.